Along every coastline in the world, waves are working to erode the shoreline away back into the sea. But here, in Hawaii, the process is also working in reverse. This is Kilauea Volcano. It's one of the most active volcanoes in the world. And here, new land is actually being created, and the island is growing from lava flows actually flowing into the ocean and creating new land and even new islands. Kilauea has been erupting continuously since 1983. And in 2003, this lava flow completely cut off the Chain of Craters road on its never-ending march towards the ocean.
Hopefully, the helicopter will get me close enough to see some lava. On the trip up, I see evidence of how massive and dangerous this volcano really is. But I'm searching for fresh flows, and I'm not disappointed. Kilauea is on fire. Giant rivers of lava, erupting lava fountains. What an amazing show. But it's still not close enough. There's only one way to get where I want to go. A 5-hour hike on some pretty nasty terrain. But I should be able to get really close to the lava flow.
This steam plume behind me is formed when the hot lava interacts with the cold seawater. Now, this entire lava bench behind me is very unstable, and it's eventually going to crumble and fall into the sea, and it can cause large explosions and even localized tsunamis. My boot caught on fire. It's unbearably hot here. This lava is 2,000 degrees. I'm getting dry roasted just standing next to it. This is absolutely amazing. I'm sitting on the very edge of this cliff, overlooking a lava flow that's pouring into some pounding surf. It's got everything. I'm just as happy as a clam. And I've got a 5-hour walk back to the car, and I just don't care at this point because it's just so beautiful watching nature like this.